Welcome back, guys. So today I just got the package in. The customer was waiting for the iPhone 7 or the iPhone 7 Plus LCD repair to get it done. Well, if you have iPhone 8 or iPhone 8 Plus, the same thing. You would require the tri-point screwdriver. At first, I thought I have the tri-point screwdriver, but unfortunately, that was too big. So anyhow, I had to purchase another set. It cost me $5.99 for this set. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed for you guys to check them out real quick. I should have purchased the one with the screen that comes with the tool set. But try to save money, and I end up had to shut up more money. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. So this tool set, which is I already have, toss that away, and this is the one that I need. See, this is the precision tool set. Hopefully that's the correct one. Come with this nice plastic pouch. So this is just a regular, well, it's supposed to be a precision pentalobe screwdriver. .8 by 25 millimeter. And this is the one that I need. This is the tri-point right there. Or sometimes they call it Y. 0.6 by 2.5 millimeter again. Let me see if I can show you guys real quick. That's the one that I need, okay? Because I was having problem to remove the screw. Most of the iPhone 7, the stainless steel cover, it is required this. And also on the back of the LCD panel, you need to remove those 5 tri-point screws for the back panel, okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in your comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.